Right, this is number 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns, North Cape Town City 1. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you?
I'm good, thank you. What is your name and where do you come from?
My name is Figile, but a lot of people know me as Ceci or Queen Angel. And
Ah,
I'm from,
Queen Angel.
Yeah, and I'm from Soshanguve.
Sosha.
Yes.
Jubilee.
No.
Okay,
No.
how do you feel about the game today?
You know, I cannot say that I'm disappointed. I'm actually happy because we won the championship, guys. How can you not be happy?
Exactly.
How can you?
I mean,
you understand? I'm more than happy, actually.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you're not disappointed that maybe as you were chasing the record, you had 80 games, no lose, then you lose at the
No,
Yeah.
I'm not sad because I know, man, we win. Win is
Always.
our thing. Winning is our name,
Yeah,
man.
used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one, I understand they also tried their best. They couldn't do it, but it happened.
Yeah.
But as long as you have the championship cup, the DSTV
Oh, yeah, no,
then
7
we are the
times.
stars.
Yeah.
Nothing can tear us apart. No, you cannot tell us anything, my
Exactly.
sister, my brother.
But-
We won.
Yeah.
Yes, for me this is a win actually.
Exactly.
Yes.
So tell me, how do you feel about the game Yalinaya final
On the first,
on the 1st of
Okay.
June?
it will be a very difficult game, but with the trust that I have for my boys, we will make it.
Number
We
one.
will do it.
So we'll do it, ne?
Yes.
Kabuyelo.
Thank you.
All the best.